The difference between people who stay broke and the people who get stupid rich are broke people always think about how can I make money, whereas rich people think about how can I make myself more valuable. Because if you're always thinking about how to make more money, you're always going to be chasing it. But if you're thinking about how to make yourself more valuable, money ends up chasing you. Just think about the person that you know that gets paid the most. Are they the hardest working or the smartest? Probably not. They're the most irreplaceable because they've learned a skill to where they always get paid. And here's the key. These aren't technical skills that are going to become outdated or replaced by AI. They're human skills that become more valuable over time, that work in any economy, any situation, and any time. First rule, pick a skill that directly generates more revenue, not maintains, generates more revenue. People will pay you a lot of money if you're able to make them more money. Second rule, pick a skill that you can get paid while learning. You don't want to wait until you're perfect at something to get paid. For example, sales, negotiation, marketing, deal closing, business development. These are all skills with unlimited income potential. If you learn these, you'll never have to worry about job security again. Third rule, look for skills where the top 10% makes 5 to 10 times more than the average. This tells you that there's high earning potential. Fourth rule, pick something that works across all industries. Economic proof skills that transfer to any industry. Here's how to actually start building the skill that you've chosen in the next 30 to 60 days and how to become world-class level at that chosen skill. Step 1, get paid to learn. Find either a job or a freelancing gig to where you get paid. You might start out not earning much money, but you're gonna learn more than any course and you'll get paid for it. Step 2, study obsessively outside of your work. At least 1 to 2 hours per day, study the top 1% of whatever industry or skill that you're in. Watch all of their podcasts, listen to their content, read their books, and study obsessively to find the difference between people starting out and people that are elite level at that chosen skill. Step 3 is to track everything. Track your weekly performance. What's working, what's not working, what you can improve. If you don't know your numbers, you can't find your bottleneck and you won't know what to actually improve. Step 4 is once you made some money and you put in hours and gotten experience, hire a mentor, someone who's much further in that skill than you are so that you can speed run the process. You can shortcut years of trials and tribulations by paying someone who's already gone through that and develop much quicker. Step 5 is going to be to actually practice deliberately. Don't just go through the motions. Actually focus on getting better. Do this relentlessly for the next 2 to 3 years and you're gonna be in the top 1%, and that's when your income explodes. Now here's why this actually gets you rich. You don't get job security, you become irreplaceable. People or companies are gonna be willing to pay you whatever you want in order for you to utilize your world-class skill. And this gives you unlimited options. Companies are going to compete for you. People are going to be willing to pay you obscene amounts of money. You're going to get bonuses, paid extra because you're the best at what you do. But more importantly, you develop skills to where you can generate wealth on your own time. If you want to start a business, now you can because you know how to solve problems and generate money in that business. If you want to become a consultant, people will pay you high premiums for you to teach that skill that you've learned. And you can invest into business opportunities because now you actually know how businesses work. And the skills that make you irreplaceable as an employee is what's going to make you successful as an entrepreneur. So the truth about getting stupid rich is stop focusing on money and start focusing on becoming irreplaceable. Focus on becoming so valuable that opportunities come to you rather than you chasing them. So for the next 60 days, pick a skill, stick to it, and get top 1%, and that's how you become rich. It's not gonna be easy, but neither is being replaceable.